Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail, and this came from England, and I'm really excited. This is a hug in a box, even though it's an envelope, and it has taken forever to come. Lorraine at Serenata has asked me, did you get a little package? Nope. Did you get a little package? Nope. Well, come to find out, oh boy, they've really wrecked this up. Let me do this off camera. There we go. It was held up in customs. Look what they did. They cut up this end piece, and then they glued it back together. What are you looking for in there? What do you think we're sending from our doll channels? Anyway, I am excited. Oh, I'm very excited. What do we have here? Oh, this is a King Charles coronation. I'm going to have to read this. This is cool. This is history. Lorraine, thank you so much. I'm going to read this. You know what, Darren? Put that on there so that if people want to read it, they can stop the video and read it all. This is so cool. You could have just sent me that and I would have been thrilled. Dear Marta and Darren, thank you so much for the wonderful patterns and fabrics you have sent me. I'm very grateful. I have knitted I have knitted a couple little toys that should fit your tops, couple little tops that will fit your Blythe dolls. I hope you like them. You know I'm gonna love them. Thank you for all the fun collaborations you organized. Best wishes, Lorraine, aka Serenato, and Ren. If you don't watch Lorraine's channel, you are missing out. She has a Makey doll, and if you don't know what that is, go find out. Named Ren, that goes on adventures, wears the cutest clothes. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, look at the little buttons. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, these are adorable. I love them. These are wear it all year kind of tops too. Oh, I love this. Let me get some Blythe. I have Amaya in this little top. I think it's adorable. And Daisy in this little top. Daisy, my little Daisy, and Lorraine's little Ren have sent postcards back and forth. And if you don't know about Lorraine's postcard for dolls, you need to go by her channel, which will be listed below, and take a look at that, because it's a lot of fun to get a postcard from another country, even in 2023. Lorraine, I love these. The buttons on the back are amazing. Her button, look, I got to show you how nice and easy her little buttonholes are. I mean, they just work right away. No squeezing, no, it's not too big. It's perfect. It's just perfect. I absolutely love these. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.